Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. My name is Donald Hughes, and if you happen to be on my channel today, I'm assuming you're looking for a way to make money from home. Perhaps you're looking to quit your 9 to 5, or perhaps you may be looking just for a way to supplement your income. Whatever the case may be, you're definitely in the right place. Guys, I wanted to share with you about a wonderful program that I just recently got involved in, which is called the Legacy Builder Program. If you haven't heard of the Legacy Builder Program, well, let me tell you, the Legacy Builder Program is a digital platform which gives you the resale rights to a total of 4 different digital products, and you will earn 100% commission, which is paid directly into your bank account. So no, guys, this is not MLM because there is no upline, there is no downline. Anytime a sale is anytime a sale is made, you're paid instantly directly into your bank account, which is a cool feature that I really love about this Legacy Builder program. Plus, guys, we hook you up with an automated system, which means it's completely automated. It's doing all the selling, it's doing all the explaining. You don't have to go out chasing your friends and family. You don't have to do any inventory or any follow-ups. The system is automated, guys, and so it's doing all the work for you, even when you're asleep. So I really like that because I don't like chasing friends and family. So the system is automated, just doing the work for you. Plus, we give you a 2-hour blueprint, which takes you step by step of exactly what you need to do in order to earn $900 a day, daily in passive income each and every day, which is really cool. Right here, you can see right here, this is, I think right here. Oh, this right here is our sales page, and these are the digital products that I was referring to, and we have 4. The first one is the Legacy Builder program. The second one is our passive daily paid blueprint. The next one is your digital mastery, and then of course our most popular one, which is our Launchpad, and this one is our most popular because this was the one that provides you the most value, the most content, and of course you earn the most commission. Now with each program here, what you're actually getting is digital training modules. That's what each program consists of. And keep in mind that whichever digital program you decide to participate in, it does unlock that particular program and plus the ones that fall beneath it. So as an example, I own the Launchpad, so I have access to the Launchpad, plus I have access to the Digital Mastery. I have access to the Passive Daily Paid Blueprint and also the Legacy Builder program. So just wanted to share that with you. Whatever program you decide to join in on, you do have access to that program, plus the ones that fall beneath it. So to kind of dive closer and give you a sneak preview, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of show you what's actually included within the Launchpad. Each one, they all have digital training courses, but we're going to look at the view the Launchpad. So I'm just going to go ahead and click View Products here. And this is what each program consists of. These are all video modules, and they're all relatively short. They're not long. They're relatively short, and you can just kind of click on here for an example. Welcome to Launchpad here. If you want to just, for example, look at this video, you just click on it, and then of course here is the video. So I'm just going to kind of wanted to show you that. Kind of scroll down just to kind of give you an idea of what's in the Launchpad. If you scroll down here, I like it. What says, what is passive income? What is resale rights? Winning mindset? Again, here's that 2-hour workday that I was talking about. Here's a video on that. Again, we show you step by step of exactly what needs to be done in order to generate $900 days in passive income each and every day. Again, that's the video. Again, they're all video modules, and if you just kind of scroll down here, just kind of give you a sneak peek here. Oh, here's a good one. I love the, this is a Freedom Machine automated system. We show you how to put your business on automation. So that's within the training modules. And then how to set up your social media. We use TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So this is just to give you an idea of what's in each and every model. Also, in case you're wondering, the Legacy Builder program, okay, this program is $100. The Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, this is $300. We also have the Digital Mastery, which is $600. And then, of course, the Launchpad, which is what, as I stated earlier, our most popular. This is $900. It's always best to get in where you fit in. I know everybody's budget won't allow them to come in at the highest package, but get in where you fit in. Get in, come as high as you can. You do have 30 days to upgrade and just simply pay the difference. Otherwise, you pay the full price if you can't come at full, if you can't upgrade it within 30 days. Also, before I forget, each training module, if you live in the United States, we do have a payment plan. So if you can't come in at the 900, if you can't pay the full 900 up front, we also offer a payment plan where you pay over, of course, for 4 different payments. So that's always an option as well. So I wanted to just kind of throw that out to you as well. I wanted to show you, this is what the capture page looks like. Everyone would get a capture page that looks similar to this right here. And basically we ask you to put in your best email address. And once you put in your email address, it's going to actually take you to this page right here. And here you're going to see a video of the presentation. This is Michelle O'Neill. She's actually the founder. She actually started this platform, and she's going to break it down exactly what is the Legacy Builder program. So this is her, and she's a 7-figure earner. She's one of those, she's the person that created this, and she's in our back office, and she is the one that's showing us the blueprint of exactly what she did, become a millionaire. And guys, she became a millionaire in 17 months, and she had absolutely no prior experience in digital marketing. And she is showing us exactly what it is that she does to earn 7 figures in 17 months. She is showing us the blueprint step by step. And so if you are coachable and you're committed, you can do this. Anyone can do this. But keep in mind, once you see the video, and then of course, if you click right here, yes, I'm ready to have a successful online business. If you click right there, this will take you directly to the website, which is right here. And you can kind of just scroll down right here. Of course, there's a picture of me right here. Everyone will get their own website, and you, of course, put in your own pictures. Here are some testimonials right here that's connected to the website. And if you just continue to scroll down just a little bit, here, like for example, this is all the programs that you'll see in the Launchpad, which is right here. And then, the daily blueprint right here. And just kind of just scroll down. So I wanted to take a moment and just show you that. And here is the Legacy Builder program. If you wanted to enroll in that, you would just simply click right here. And if you wanted to do the payment plan, of course, you can go ahead and just click this button right here. And then you can, of course, do the same thing with the 600, the 300, and the 900 as well. So just wanted to kind of show you that. Another thing that I really want to show you about this is I wanted to show you what our community is. This is our community, and whichever program you decide to join, everyone gets access to the community. And the reason I like to share this is because even though you're in business for yourself, you're definitely not by yourself. So anytime you have a question or a concern, you can always just go right up into our community. And if you put right up here where it says type something, feel free to go ahead and type in your question there. We have a total of 17.7 thousand members in our, as a part of this program. And right now online, we have a total of 146 people that's online right now. So this is 24 hours support. Anytime you have a question or a concern, just type it in. Someone's online, you'll get your questions answered relatively quick. So I wanted to show you that. Another cool benefit I wanted to show you is you go over here to calendar. Guys, if you notice here, at least 3 to 4 days a week, sometimes 5. We have actual live training where you can, again, get live training. You're working with 6 and 7 figure income earners, and we're here to help you. We do breakups in the back room where we actually do role plays on and show you how to, or we help you with your content. So you can actually work on your content before you actually start doing it. So again, we have live training. It's always best to stay plugged in because you never know, you might miss some very important information. But this is our calendar of the live events. Something else that I really wanted to show you, and I always like to show this, I always tend to forget, but if I go back over to communities and you see where it says win right here, I'll click on this button right here. If you notice, these are all the people that are earning money in this platform, and this list goes on and on. It's a very long list. For example, we have Ronald here. He says, Dean, my $900 Dean, congratulations, $900 Dean. That's awesome. Then we have Daryl Hannah. And this guy is really killing it. He's earned 28,800 so far this month, which is really cool. And then we had Mindy, $900 before bed. That is wonderful. $300 day while getting my kids ready for bed. And the list just goes on and on, guys. $900 day, 3 days in a row. Guys, people are killing it on here. So I just wanted to show you that. Guys, if you're interested, you want to know how you can start making $900 payments a day, or how you can receive $900 payments a day, guys, take a look. Go to my link, which will be in the description, and just take a look. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just simply trying to get the information out there so you can take a look and so you can make your own best decision. Um, it's out there for you to take a look at, so just take a look at it. And if you like this video, please click like and share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for additional videos that may come up in the future. Guys, I want to thank you for stopping by. Everyone, please have a great and fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.